Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Kevin Schrader, and I'm a cloud adoption consultant with Absolute Vision Technologies. As a company, we specialize in cloud transformations for mid-sized businesses looking to transition their current technology infrastructure and business intelligence systems to a cloud-based platform. This webinar is one of our cloud transformation series presentations, kind of aimed at helping you gain some insight into cloud adoption and cloud transformation. So we're going to step through this presentation, and it'll serve as an introduction to anyone that has thoughts around adopting cloud technologies for your business, and hopefully give you some food for thought when wanting to engage with a cloud technology partner such as AVT. So here we are to present cloud solutions for your business. Now at AVT, our main goal is to educate, enable, and empower businesses to achieve their goals through cloud technology. So what is cloud? Well, we like to call it the inevitable future. So we want to start off and just break it down for those out there that maybe think they're not using cloud, but ways that you're definitely using cloud in your everyday life. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Ever use those? GoToMeeting, Join Me. iTunes, Netflix, YouTube. I mean, come on, who hasn't watched a video on YouTube? All email systems, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, iCloud, Hotmail. We've been using that cloud technology for at least the past 8 to 10 years. So PayPal, Square, Kickstarter, Amazon, Gumtree, the Apple App Store. All of these are great examples of ways that you're probably already using the cloud and just don't realize it. Because cloud is nothing new. But the terminology cloud has recently come into existence and is a bit of a buzzword. So cloud is simply a metaphor for internet-based application access and development. Everything that happens in the cloud happens between clusters of servers and shared resources, the same way the internet functions. So the purpose of cloud computing is aimed at achieving economies of scale. Cloud architecture is an evolving platform for software and application development. So cloud applications have already been in existence since the mid-1990s. So why cloud? And what we wanted to focus on here was the cloud value that businesses care about. So we've got a breakdown here of a couple of pieces of great information. So what you're going to care about in your business is you're going to care about managing growth. And not only managing growth, but managing growth to market conditions. And you want better business management. I mean, we all want better reporting capabilities. We want that information in the palm of our hand, anytime, anywhere. So managing cost. Managing cost is huge in making sure that we're achieving the bottom line profit that you need to year after year to fund the core competencies of the business. Increase customer service and retention. Always huge. We need to be able to react quickly to those customer demands. And cloud technology is really about lowering your total cost of ownership, so seeing and evaluating the long-term benefits of transforming to cloud technology, and also giving yourself that competitive edge. So we want to know that we're leading the market with your core competencies, and that's being backed by a very innovative technology solution that's going to grow with you. And of course, employee adoption. I mean, if your employees do not adopt the implementation of new technologies, it's ultimately going to be unsuccessful. So you want to give your employees the tools they need to be successful so they're more productive and they're more efficient and they're happier in their jobs, which in turn ultimately leads to less turnover and less churn. And achieving process improvements and efficiencies. So cloud technology aims to give you the power to innovate within your organization instead of be inundated with constant technological challenge. And here, when to go cloud. So we've put together some triggers that signal a need for a cloud adoption strategy. So you can break these down and really have a nice read and think about how it does impact your business currently. So trigger, adapting, gaining efficiency, restructuring, some change management within the organization, innovation, managing growth, agility, and visibility. So we know that these are key triggers that always signal a need for a cloud adoption strategy. So how do you do it? What are the ways to go cloud? So we've developed kind of two basic issues and two basic themes for building a framework and strategy around cloud adoption. So entire business transformation. So you can take all of your systems to one unified cloud platform. You just need to understand that not only is that the most intensive on resource and planning, but it also yields the biggest benefits in the long run. Entire business transformation. But if you're not ready for that entire business transformation, the great thing about cloud is it gives you the option to transition modularly. So you can move your systems piece by piece into the cloud. First you want to do financials, then next month you want to do CRM, and if everything's successful, HR, project management, and it all follows one after the other. So you have that great option to transition modularly with cloud. So determining the right cloud solution. We put together a nice little checklist here that businesses can really start to kind of get down to the nitty-gritty of what you're going to need to determine the right cloud solution for your business. So make sure as you go through this checklist that you define how these assessment and evaluation recommendations are going to suit your business. So that's our cloud solution checklist. And that's it. That's the first part of our series, Cloud Transformation. So if there are any questions, feel free to contact me, Kevin Schrader, email, by phone, and you can also check out our company website, avt.com.au. But I want to say thank you very much for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next cloud transformation presentation.